Hello guys and welcome to this video. I'm going to show you the different steps that we follow in order to set up your holded action automation for workflow. This is one of our workflow apps that you're about to install within your sub account and connect to your holded platform and of course execute actions directly from your workflow. So let's get started. Inside your sub account, you go at the app market, you search for the app, hold it, you go at install, allow and install. There's the API key required in order to get the installation going. So let's switch to our holded account. Inside holded, we come up here, we go at settings, at more, we go at developers, new API key, description, we save, and we have our API key. So we copy, we make sure it's copied, we switch back, paste, continue, choose the plan, we confirm, we complete the installation, and we get the uninstall. This means that our workflow app is already connected to our Holded platform, and now we're able to execute actions directly from the workflow for our Holded platform. So guys, if you ever have any question, feel free to reach out. We have a very dedicated team who's also available 24/7 to answer to all your questions. If you like this video at some point, don't forget to give some thumbs up, and thank you for watching.